Welcome to your pregnancy workout. All you need today is a chair. All right, let's get started. Squats, down and up. Good. So keep your weight in the heels. Every time you come up is when you want to activate through your abdominals and your pelvic floor. Shoulders back and down for 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Down and tap. Perfect. Just tap to wherever you can reach. For 3, for 2, and 1. All right, shake that out. Let's find the chair, step a little bit back, and then send one leg back behind you, alternating here. Squeeze the glute as you send the leg back behind you. There is an option, instead of tapping the foot, to actually kick the leg back behind. Kick the leg, activating the glutes here. Every time you send that leg back, it's where you want to switch on through your core. Use your exhale. Chair burpees. Step back, reach up. If it's too much to come up on the heels, you don't have to. The further back you step, the harder this is. Just make sure you have a stable chair, couch, bench, or table to lean on. Nice work. Down we go into all 4 kneeling. Breathe. Use your exhale to connect pelvic floor and belly wrap. Breathe in, let it go. Exhale, connect, send one leg behind you and kick. So as you kick is working into the core. Press that heel up towards the ceiling for a donkey kick. Sway your hips from side to side. Other side, let's go. Squeezing through the glute. Nice work. Sway those hips from side to side. Lower your elbows down. Big breath. Exhale, let it go. Big, deep breaths here. All right, let's make our way all the way back up to standing. Tuck the toes, crawl your hands back, and up we go. Shake it out. All right. That's enough for you if you'd like, or you can join me for a second set. Squats. Down and up. So good. All right, let's go for another 3, for 2, and 1. tap. Good. Down and up. There's 2. Down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out. All right, glute extensions. Let's send one leg back. Remember, you can tap or you can kick back to really get glute activation. If there's any pelvic girdle pain, maybe just do some glute dances instead. That's where you stand and you just squeeze one glute, release, and then you squeeze the other glute. Keep core connection happening with this. All right, chair burpees, let's go. Up and step back. To make this harder, you hold on to something lower. So you could flip the chair the other way and place the hands onto the lower part of the chair. Go at your pace. Good. And let's head down into your all four, kneeling for your donkey kicks. Shoulders back. Let's connect the core. Breath in. As you exhale, pelvic floor and belly, feel that hug back. And then release. Do it again. Now add the leg. Kick. Nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rock those hips. Other side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Rock those hips side to side. Lower your elbows. Drop your head. Big, slow breaths here. One more big breath. Let it go. And slowly begin to crawl your way back up through to a standing position. Check it out. Nice work. So that's 2 sets down now. Feel free, stay with that, or join me for a third. Let's go. Down, 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8. Good. Taps. Down, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Glute extension. Kick. Good. Get the squeeze through the glutes. Keep your shoulders soft and relaxed. Don't forget to activate through your core here. Squeeze and lift. Squeeze and lift. Chair burpees. Last round. Go a little bit faster if you want more. Don't overdo it though. These are pelvic floor safe burpees. For 3. For 2. And 1. Nice. Okay, down we go. Last round of donkey kicks. Engage your core. Let it go. Engage and lift and lower. Same leg again, lift and lower. Sway those hips from side to side. Let's swap. Amazing work. Dropping your elbows down, dropping your head. Just let yourself rest here as you breathe deeply, letting everything go. Yes, and slowly crawling your hands back, finding yourself into a kneeling position. And well done. For more videos just like this, visit productive.com.